Using your stationery, stop the virus from spreading. Today, I'd like to introduce to everyone a new game. A game of intelligence, risk, and success. A game they can play anywhere with anyone, even by yourself. So without further ado, everyone, BUNGU versus virus. How to play. Prepare symbolic BUNGU stationery, scissors, red pen, masking tape or scotch tape, eraser. Each card symbol is matched with the stationery as shown. Preparation. 6x6 grid paper, a deck of cards, and a pencil. Use a black or blue pen and write in the numbers 1 through 12 3 times in the grid. Do not include 13. Use a red pen to draw a heart around a number of your choice. This heart represents a life. The goal is to get as many hearts as possible without getting infected by the virus. To start, let's draw a card. Each card has 3 actions. Action 1, number virus. The card drawn was a 10, so cross out a 10 on the grid. Cross out one of the numbers. This is a virus. If a virus is next to a life, then the life will be infected. Does not infect diagonally. Action 2, symbolic BUNGU. Since the symbol of the card is the spades, you can use the scissors. Scissors can open a hole in the virus. Pinch the virus square and fold it into half to cut it diagonally. Fold up the cut piece as shown. Now this square is ventilated, so it won't infect the life even if there's one next to it. Action 3, place a life. Draw another life anywhere. This square is safe because the infected square is already ventilated. You can also draw a wall instead of a life. This will be explained later. After you complete these 3 actions, you draw another card and repeat the actions. If there is no more room to draw a life without getting it infected, or no more number spaces left, the game is over. Let's have a look at what other stationaries are able to do. There are 2 2s left. If you choose this 2, the life next to it will be infected. If you had chosen the other 2, the virus could have been avoided. Since the symbol of the card is the clubs, you can use a masking tape. Cut a small piece and put it on the life. Now the heart has a mask, so it is protected even if the virus is placed next to it. If you use a scotch tape instead of a masking tape, it'll work as a vaccine, which is the same effect as the masking tape. Draw another life in a safe space to complete the turn. The game's just getting started. Let's keep going. The card is a jack, which we will use as an 11. You can cross out one of the 3 11s. This life is safe because of the mask we placed earlier. Since the symbol of the cards is the hearts, you can use a red pen. You can draw a heart in this case as a medical volunteer.
Draw another life to complete this turn. You can draw a total of 2 lives this turn. The card is a queen, which will be used as a 12. The symbol of the card is diamonds, so you can use an eraser. The eraser can erase the virus. You can disinfect an infected virus, but it will be reinfected immediately if the life is not protected with a mask. So let's erase a different one. Since we have a good amount of hearts, let's draw a wall instead of a life. This protects the life from the virus if one gets infected. However, you can only draw a wall every other turn. There are 2 choices here, but both options will result in infecting a life. If you choose this 11, then 2 lives will be infected at once. If you put the virus here, only 1 will be infected since the wall stops the virus to further spread. This way you can minimize the damage. That is all for the roles of the stationery. Finally, let's talk about the event cards. King event, National Antivirus. When you see a king, you can create your own antivirus measures. For example, this time we will give 2 masks to the hearts. Suggestion: be creative and make your own antivirus measures. Joker event, Fool. When you see a joker, draw another card. The virus spreads normally. But after Joker, you can't do the last 2 actions. That's all for the rules of this game. Once there's no more safe space for life, or all the squares are crossed out, the game ends. Let's see the result. Count the number of lives left. 10. Then count the number of infected squares. Include the ventilated squares as infected squares. 18. The virus wins this time. Unfortunately, the virus won this round. This game is not a game of luck. Use your head and courage to find a winning solution. Your favorite stationery and unused stationery will be your help. So, I wish you the best of luck. May your stationery save us all from the virus.